Its contribution to accelerated infrastructure development, the Department of Public Works and Infrastructure recently announced the South African Construction Action Plan, which the Minister spoke about. It is a framework for collective and individual accountability, a plan that sets measurable targets, real timelines, as well as enforceable consequences. The plan outlines actions to prevent underperforming contractors from securing new contracts from the state. It aims to fix cash flow constraints and use technology to track construction projects in real time. We want to deal with the underperformance of contractors who leave projects incomplete. And I want to say, when you are a contractor, we want you to dedicate yourself to completing the projects so that we can be proud of you as a contractor, and we can be proud that you've completed the work that you were meant to do.